Okay, so I am very happy, and it's mainly because of one reason. Okay, two actually. But the first reason is that it is finally layering season. Like, you don't know how happy I am because most of my clothes in my wardrobe have to do with layers. So in Nigeria here, it is finally layering season, so I can wear whatever it is that I want. Yeah, Hamatan is here. I'm happy about it, except from the dust part. That is the annoying part. Like the air is sharp and everything, dust everywhere. If you wear white, it's easily going to get stained. Like I'm wondering why I'm wearing white to where I'm going. Yeah, where I'm going, I actually got a package like a few weeks back, and they finally called me today that it is here. So today I am going to pick that up. But before I do that, if you saw before the videos before, you see me and my friends and all that. My friends actually came over to see me. Like I said, I am a very big introvert and I have been in this house for almost an entire year without actually seeing anyone except for my mother and my sister. I don't really go out much. Until this content creation started, I'm like challenging myself to say, okay, I want to go out and all that. I never really bothered going out or doing anything. So they came to see me and we hung out, worked, mostly work and all that. Then the last part of this thing, yes, I do play the keyboard at my church. Yeah, it's just like a hobby, not really anything serious, or rather I'm not, it's not something like a career path because I already have too many things that I'm doing, which I'll actually talk about what it is that I do. But you've already seen that I draw, I'm into fashion, but I'll go into detail another time. So now I want to get ready. Get ready for what? I'm already wearing what I'm what I'm going out with. So I am very stressed, but this is basically all that I'm wearing. I'm not really doing anything much. This sweater, like basically almost everything here is thrifted, except from these. I got these from Jumia. Yeah, if you see something on Jumia, just try and get it. Like the Jumia allows you to get what you want. If it's not what you want, like you order something, it's not what you want, you can return them. So actually experiment. And I got these. The first time that I got these pair, they were a bit tight. I returned them and I got something bigger. Yeah, I like big pants. So this is what I'm wearing along with this tote bag that I actually thrifted from Makaiva. Yeah, my friends, when they came, they also went to Makaiva. So along there, I was strict on not buying anything. But when I saw this bag, I was like, okay, let me just get an extra tote bag because I only have my two Zenix tote bag, the white and black that I normally use. So got this. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll just throw on a pair of slides or my Crocs. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. That's pretty. But anyhow, I am going to pick this package and I will show you what I got. All right, real quick, I want to unbox this with you guys. But first, quick story time. These shoes, like before they actually came, I actually ordered the Jordan ones, the highs, but then I found out that they don't have it in my size. Originally, I wear 46, but I think throughout this year I've been indoors mostly, so I did not wear any shoes. And apparently, your feet keep growing if you don't wear shoes. So now I am wearing 47.5. 47, sure, but on a comfortable size 47.5, which is now annoying. So I had to return the other ones, and it took a really long while before these came in. And yesterday, like, this thing needs to stop in Nigeria. I don't even know why. Like, you cannot dress and look good as a fashion person, like a guy fashion person in Nigeria, especially where I am now, because you'll be harassed or stopped by a police. Yesterday, I was stopped by the police because, hey, I look good. Don't mean to brag, no shade. But anyhow, I was stopped and it's annoying. These guys searched, like they even searched me to the essay that they didn't see what they were looking for. They had to ask me like, Alpha, you know the but sha. That's another thing. Let's get to the unboxing. And the shoes that I ended up getting are these. I don't know, do I call them like Air Force Ones, but in another distance? But here it's written Nike Air Max. I don't know if that's coming up. Sorry. Yeah, these are the shoes. Like, excuse me for the lighting. It's not really the best this morning. Everything is a bit too bright, but yeah, these are the shoes that I got. Excuse me for the lighting. I might be up, down, and so on, but yeah, everywhere is really bright, so I'm really trying to adjust. I'm shooting alone, so that adjustment going back and forth is really hard. Like, if you really want to see the behind the scenes, well, before I say behind of scenes, the behind the scene of my shooting, let me know in the comments and I will do that. But yeah, I am really happy with these, that I got these, because I was looking for a pair of sneakers I can wear, or rather, the shoes I'm really looking for this period is something that I can just wear on a day, like I can just throw on and wear. Oh, yeah, I almost forgot this suede feel, this suede detail. I actually really like it. And yeah, I am going to be wearing these a lot from now on. So now I already have these sneakers, my loafers. I have some other shoes previously, but the last pair, I don't know. This content, this thing is really stressful. Imagine my phone heated, like it got too hot and turned off. On, Father Lord, send help on my way to provide camera. But anyhow, I wanted to get a pair of boots. Like, that should have been my last pickup of the year, but I think this will be my last pickup for the year, because the reason why I couldn't find boots, like I said, I am wearing 47 now, and seeing that size is either too expensive or they just don't have it in my size. So I don't want to break my account more, because I plan things on a budget. So I'm working with that. Though I said I plan things on a budget, I have actually surpassed my budget. Dear Lord, provide. Please, see, I'll say this thing. If you have job, bring it for me. It's me that will tell you what others should do. Like, bring jobs, anything at all. Thank you. So I'll be ending this here. Please like and subscribe. I don't even say this much, but please do like and subscribe. Share. It does mean a lot. I want the channel to keep growing. It would help greatly. Like, please, let's get subscribers and likes so that they keep pushing the video forward. I'm talking too much on this, but yeah, I'll see you all later. New shoe smell.